begging me to stay, and then you walk away. There's something that you wanted to say. I was in a rush, then you say you were crushed.